Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to delete multiple videos at a time on CapCut. First, open up CapCut. Once CapCut is open, the normal way to delete videos is to press on the three dots at the right of the video and then confirm you want to delete it. And from here, selecting the delete option at the bottom. But there is a quicker way to delete multiple videos at a time. And to do this, you want to select the edit button on the right side of the screen. And now you can mass select what you want to delete. Once you've selected all the videos you want to delete, you press the bin icon at the bottom of the screen and confirm you want to delete these projects. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.